Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to optimize your display settings on your Samsung Galaxy S10e. Let's get started. As a first step, open Settings on your phone and then go to this tab which is named Display. Here, as a first thing, you can select the mode that is more comfortable for you, which is light or dark. You can see how it changes. And for example, the light one is really good at day and the dark one for night. For example, if you're having some troubles to falling asleep, especially if you look in your phone before sleeping. The next thing that we can see here is the adaptive brightness function, which I also highly recommend to enable. It works like, for example, if you're on a bright sunlight, the brightness will automatically raise up. And if your environment is dark, it will lower. The next thing that we can see here is named Eye Comfort Shield. This function automatically lowers the blue tones on the colors so your eyes can feel more comfortable. If we will enable this function, we can switch here between adaptive or custom, in which we can set the color temperature automatically. So I will turn it off and we are moving to the next setting, which is named Screen Mode. But also keep in mind that the Screen Mode doesn't work with the Eye Comfort Shield. So here we can switch between natural and vivid. You can also see how different the colors looks on this picture. So the vivid one makes colors more bright, more saturated, and just the picture looks more alive. Here is it how it works. And the vivid one looks much better, but it can also be a little bit hard on your eyes. And this is it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.